for
What do
you.
you want?
Sabi ko, how much you can?
Oh, how much you can?
I can't receive it. But may, sabi ko, ginaganon ko na lang sila eh. You know what I mean, sir?
You know what I mean? My accent. You know what I mean?
In English, but you can
Ako
stand
naiinis ako niya pag
it.
sinasabi.
You know, you can, sabi ko, ginaganon ko sila eh. You stay here in the Philippines, but it's hard to say, gano'n. Speak in Tagalog. I speak English. But you can understand me. Gaganon yeah.
Nakatrabaho ako.
You add me.
Sinusad nito.
But I'm add, 50 pesos for my, ganito, service
Sabi ko,
for
simple
you.
English.
Sige, okay, alright, sir.
Yes.